Today, we will be exploring how to correct and edit an item that has already been used in an assessment. First, let's locate the assessment we want to edit. We will start at the front page of Edugens, where we will click on the apps in the top right and choose assessments. Here, we will input the parameters to search for our tests. Once we've found our test, click on the blue Edit Assessment icon for that assessment. This will open up the Edit Assessment page where we can see all the items in the assessment. We will want to navigate to the question we want to edit and click on the orange Edit Question icon for that assessment. If this edit is grayed out and unselectable, it means that it is not a district bank question. You can confirm this by hovering over the circle to the right of the question number. For example, this question is a district bank question while this one is a text bank question. If you need to change a non-district question, choose the Clone and Replace Question icon. This will create a clone of the question that you can edit as needed. After saving, this will replace the current non-district question. Returning to the previous page, once you find the question you want to edit, click the Edit icon. It will bring you to the Edit Question page. In this example, I will change the answer here from 9 to 6. Once I've finished altering the question, click Save. Then click Back to return to the assessment. The change will apply to all future students who will take the test. If we want the updated questions and answers to affect students who've already taken the assessment, click the orange Sync Question button at the bottom, and then click Save. After clicking Save, give it about 30 minutes, and then all the students who have previously taken the assessment will get their scores adjusted to the most current test. This will ensure that all previous students' answers are scored based on the most updated version of the questions. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on correcting and editing items already used in an assessment. Thanks and happy teaching.